Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing great. As a part of our study of the Study of Language book by George, today in chapter 5 we are going to talk about compounding. Compounding is mixing of two items to make a new item، أو هي انضمام كلمتين منفصلات لإنتاج كلمة واحدة. مثل هذه الكلمات عندنا الأمثلة اللي مذكورة بالكتاب اللي هي مثلا lean and vort becomes lean vort باللغة الألمانية، حتى ينطيك أمثلة من لغات أخرى على أساس أنه هذا المصطلح موجود ليس فقط في اللغة الإنجليزية لكن شائع في جميع اللغات، على الأغلب اللغة الألمانية، اللغة الإنجليزية، والأكثر شيوعا فرنسية، إسبانية. مركبات إنجليزية شائعة مثلا عندك إذا تباوع على الفقرة التالية. This combining process, technically known as compounding, is very common in languages such as German and English, but much less common in languages such as French and Spanish. However, common English compounds are bookcase, doorknob, fingerprint, sunburn, textbook, basketball, wastebasket, waterbed. All these examples are nouns, but we can also create compound adjectives like good-looking, low-paid, and compounds of adjectives such as fast plus noun like food, as in fast food. But remember, fast food. Clipping or cutting the T here, fast food, restaurant, or a full-time job. This very productive process to create new terms and new ideologies and new expressions, and is well documented in English and German, because as you know, English is partially coming from Germanic origin. But we can also find totally unrelated languages that have the same commonality here, like Hming and spoken in Southeast Asia, which combines huij, I think this is how they say it, which means pot, and case, which is spout, to produce huij case, which means kettle. Recent creations also of these languages have this sort of expressions, but we do not need to learn them. We just need to focus on the examples from English. فإذا إجاك سؤال ركز فقط على compounding from German and English in case you want to add a little bit of creativity out there. شكرا لكم. نلتقي بكم درس آخر مع تركيبة جديدة في اللغة الإنجليزية من الفصل 5 لكتاب جورج.